Oh well, since the EH won't start, I'm going to have to wash it in under the house. Well, there's heaps of water under the house already, so might as well wash the car under here. There you go. Haven't had a bath for a while. And just like that, it's done. There you go, the EH all washed up. I don't think I'll worry about putting the chamois over it though, not with the rain still blowing around. Just a waste of time, I think. It looks all shiny.